Greetings and salutation, Average Rider here. Let's go on a road trip, part 1. I've mentioned in a previous video that we are going on a road trip. See this video here, how to pack for overnight motorcycle trips. The previous night we made our way to Calgary, Alberta, and during this day we make our way to Creston, BC, which is our final destination for the day. We are first fuel stop of the day. We're in Nanton, Alberta. Next stop, Fernie, BC, and we're about to ride on one of my favorite roads in Alberta. This is Highway 22, Cowboy Trail. We stopped quickly at Crow's Nest Pass and then at Sparwood for a quick picture. We did make it to Fernie for lunch and some fuel before moving on again. And we're back, final stop of the day. We are at Koots Moto in Creston, BC. This is my brother's shop and we're gonna hang out here for a few days, go for a ride around the area. I'll just show you around the shop real quick. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for part 2.